Alright, we're gonna test out this Yamaha compact disc player, CDC-655 natural sound CD player, 5-disc changer with PLAYXCHANge. Currently playing, and it's just fine. Nice and smooth, and we can put. You can see it plays just fine here.
Hey, nigga, what's up? What's up? Come on in, nigga. What's that?
Not appropriate. Change. Okay, still in. What is it? Comes with the remote. And there, I think about 2 remotes. So, alright. So let's set them here. Play and pause. Play. Skip. Get the output level up and down. Alright, well, that's about it. This is not working. Alright, so that's the Yamaha Natural Sound Compact Disc Player CDC-655. Gray and silver finish. Pretty good shape. It's for sale. Check the link in the description. Check out my other videos for other stuff I have for sale. And thanks for watching.